Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Economics. In this video, we'll be studying about what are the different types of balances in the government budget, and we'll be focusing on the deficits in the government budget. Deficit budget or surplus budget. Whenever the overall estimated receipts of a government budget are greater than the estimated expenditure, such type of a budget is known as a surplus budget. On the other hand, whenever the estimated receipts fall short of the estimated expenditure by the government, it is known as the deficit budget. And last, when the overall receipts are equal to the estimated expenditure, it is known as the balanced budget. We will be focusing on the different types of deficits in the government budget. Deficit budget. Deficit budget is the one in which the receipts fall short of the expenditure by the government. Such type of budget is common basically in the developing countries. Whenever there is a deficit in the budget, it is known as budgetary deficit. That means the overall estimated expenditure of the government are greater than the overall estimated receipts by the government. Alternatively, we can say that total expenditure less total receipts for the government is equal to a positive value. There are three different categories of deficit in the budgetary deficit. First is the revenue deficit, then is the fiscal deficit, and the last is the primary deficit. Let us discuss them one by one. Revenue deficit. Revenue deficit is calculated as revenue expenditure less revenue receipts. Whenever revenue deficit formula comes out to be a positive value, it means that there is an inability of the government to meet its regular expenses of salaries, pension, and interest payments. The second type of deficit is fiscal deficit, which is calculated by the formula total expenditure less total receipts. An important thing to be noted here is that while taking total receipts, we have to exclude the borrowings. A positive value of fiscal deficit indicates that there is a debt trap and inflation in the economy, and it indicates the borrowing requirements for the government. A very important note, fiscal deficit indicates borrowings for the government. The third type of deficit is primary deficit, which is calculated as fiscal deficit less interest payments by the government. A positive value of primary deficit indicates the borrowing requirements for the government other than those for interest payments. Now let us understand the three deficits during a numerical question. In this question, you have to calculate revenue deficit, fiscal deficit, and primary deficit. The values which are given are revenue receipts, capital receipts, total expenditure including capital expenditure and revenue expenditure. First, we will be calculating the revenue deficit, which is as per formula is equal to revenue expenditure minus revenue receipts. It is clearly given in the question that revenue expenditure is equal to 6,58,000 and revenue receipts is equal to 6,02,000. Therefore, the answer for revenue deficit comes out to be 56,000. Next is the fiscal deficit, which as per formula is equal to total expenditure minus total receipts, and receipts exclude the borrowings, which is equal to 7,50,000 less total receipts again is equal to 7,50,000, but in total receipts will be excluding the borrowings, which are equal to 1,30,000. Therefore, the answer will be 1,30,000. Thus, here we again prove that fiscal deficit is equal to the borrowing requirement for the government, or fiscal deficit is equal to borrowings. The third deficit is primary deficit, which is equal to fiscal deficit less interest payments. Since interest payments are not given in the question, we are assuming it to be 20,000. Therefore, the answer comes out to be 1,30,000 less 20,000 is equal to 1,10,000. it means that government has to borrow 1,10,000 in order to meet its borrowing requirements other than interest payments. For more videos, please subscribe